Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the parking assist on GMC Terrain, that generation that you see right here from year 2010 to 2017. Guys, please do not waste your money on parts diagnostics tools until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. By the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will, guys, share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So the parking assist fuses and relays, came guys to show you where you can expect to find them. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know you have some hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money, guys. And what we need to do here now, we need to open the passenger door. When you do that, you come inside the vehicle on the passenger side in the footwell compartment on the right side here of the center console. You have that cover, guys, okay, that you pull on it, open it, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And here, guys, what do we need to check? We need to check one fuse. Fuse numbers here are a little bit confusing. They go like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Fuse number 11, guys, that you see right here, okay, this fuse is the one that you will, guys, need to check for the parking assist. This fuse right here. What about relays? You don't have relays for the parking assist. That function practically is controlled by the body control module, guys. Okay, you have only that fuse that's known as a relay fuse that you will need to check on your GMC Terrain. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.